Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are just clicking on my video for the first time. So guys, in this video, as you can see, I'm already dressed up for church and I just want to put my hair in order. So the hairstyle I'll be making today is a low bun. I'll be slicking my hair into a low bun without using any gel. Yes, we are not going to be using gel in slicking our hair into a low bun. So to see how I did it, please continue watching. First of all, you have to stretch out your hair. Either you use twists, braids, or African trading, but African trading is more preferable because it stretches out your hair more, and you will get a better result if you use African trading to stretch out your hair. So but in my case, I use twists to stretch out my hair, which also give me a very fair result. So after taking out the twist, I first of all sectioned the back of the hair, as you can see in the video, and secured it with a rubber band. You can also use your scrunchie to secure your hair, but what I have available right now is a rubber band, and that is what I am using. Do not tighten up the rubber band because you are going to be taking it out and adding up another section again. So as you can see, I'm sectioning out another part of the hair, the middle part of the hair, so that I will also add it to the one at the back. And before you do that, make sure you also detangle your hair, and do not spray water while slicking down your hair. If you know that you won't be using gel, do not sprinkle water on your hair because it is going to make your hair revert back. It will become coily, and it will be hard for you to hold them back like this. So but make sure your hair is very moisturized so that while detangling it, you don't lose much of your hair. So right now we are at the front of the hair, and I'm trying to do a center pattern because I won't be using gel for this hairstyle. The side pattern almost closed, but it is still a little bit visible. So I'm still continuing the same process, detangling my hair and adding it up to the section I've already secured. So I'm done. So I used the rubber band to secure it tightly this time around. Then I'm trying to use this small tooth comb to clean up the side parting so that it will be more visible. Then if you have a brush, it will be better to use it will be better for brushing back your hair this way. But if you don't have, you can as well use your small tooth comb to brush your hair backwards, and also use a bobby pin to secure any flyaways that you noticed. I'm also using the small tooth comb to brush my edges so that it will be looking nice and clean. Then I applied a little gel on my edges so that I'm going to lay them flat and they won't be looking tattered. You can style your edges if you want to, but due to this is just an ordinary gel and it cannot hold my edges if I put it in any style, that is why I'm just brushing it all back. So finally, we have come to the end of this video. If you have watched up to this extent, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section concerning this hairstyle. Are you going to try this hairstyle without gel? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.